Hello everybody, it's standard 4th, subject is English. Let's start the revision of yearly examination. First question number 1, answer the following questions. It will be for 12 marks, okay? It will be for 12 marks. There are 18 questions in this question, okay? First number, who was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital? So the answer is Sachin was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital. What is the answer? Sachin was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital. Okay. Second number, why could Rajan not get Sachin's autograph? So the answer is because he fell while trying to catch a ball and injured himself. What is the answer? Because he fell while trying to catch a ball and injured himself. Okay. Third number, how did Rajan console Raju? So the answer is Raju Rajan bought popcorn and chocolate cake. Rajan bought popcorn and chocolate cake for Raju. He also promised him that he would try to get Sachin's autograph for him. What is the answer? Rajan brought popcorn and chocolate cake for Raju. He also promised him that he would try to get Sachin's autograph for him. Fourth number, why did Raju talk about Sachin proudly? So the answer is Raju talked about Sachin proudly because Sachin was his great hero. What is the answer? Raju talked about Sachin proudly because Sachin was his great hero. Fifth number, what was worse for Raju, having a fracture or not being able to see the match live? So the answer is not being able to watch the match live was worse for Raju. The answer is not being able to watch a match live was worse for Raju. Six number, how did Robinson reach the island? So the answer is on his way to Africa, Robinson met with a firestorm. His ship was wrecked and he was washed on a on alone uninhabited island. Okay. What is the answer? On his way of Africa, Robinson met a firestorm, means very strong storm. Okay, and his ship was wrecked, and he was washed on a lone, uninhabited island. Okay, where no one was there on that island. There he reached. That is why. Okay, then seven number, why did Robinson name the man Friday? So the answer is because it was a Friday. Because it was a Friday on which he had rescued the man. What is the answer? Because it was a Friday on which he had rescued the man. Eight number, who were the men seen by Robinson? So the answer is the men whom Robinson saw were pirates from another land. What is the answer? The men whom Robinson saw were pirates from another land. 9 number, why did Chanda ask a toy seller? Why did Chanda ask the toy seller to wait? So the answer is Chanda asked the toy seller to wait so that she could bring money for the doll. What is the answer? Chanda asked the toy seller to wait so that she could bring money for the doll. 10 number, why do you think the boy did not notice Anna's angry stare? So the answer is the boy was busy. The boy was busy inspecting boat. Why the boy was busy inspecting the boats, so he did not notice Anna's angry stare. Okay, why? Because the boy was so busy in inspecting the boards so that he did not notice Anna's angry stare. 11 number. If you had been in Anna's place, would you have given your not so good boards to the boy? So the answer is yes. I would give him, or I would give my so good boards to the boy. Okay. So answer. Please check your answer in your practice paper. Dear students, pay attention. Please check your answer. In your answer, that is written that not so good board, right? So only not you just cancel in the answer. From the answer you just cancel not. Okay. So yes, I would have given my so good boards to the boy. Okay. So good. Okay. So not that cancel from the answer. Not, it is written not. So not, please cancel it from your answer, and answer will be like this. Please consider this answer. Yes, I would have given my so good boards to the boy. Okay. So good boards to the boy. Not, we have to cancel. Okay. 12 number. Which words describe Aunt Avanti the best? Proud, kind, loving, or strict? So the answer is kind and loving. Okay. Answer is kind and loving are the words that describe Aunt Avanti the best. Okay. Kind and loving are the words that describe Aunt Avanti the best. Okay. 13 number. Would you give your toys to the children who don't have any toy? Why or why not? So the answer is yes. I would give my toys to the children who don't have any, because my toys will give them happiness. Okay. I repeat my answer once again. Yes, I would give my toys to the children who don't have any, because my toys will give them happiness. 14 number. What has come to the town? So the answer is the circus has came. The circus has come to the town. Okay. 15 number. What kind of change does Jal want in the end? So the answer is, in the end, Jal asks for a change, or for a cleaner environment. What is the answer? In the end, Jal asks for a change for a cleaner environment. Okay. 16 number. What kind of change does Jal want at the end? Hello dear students, here I would like to tell you that the 15 and 16 number are same, so not to worry, because 17 two times has been came, so total 18 question answers are there. Okay, so there is not an issue right now. 17 number. Why did Chanda's mother scold the girls? So the answer is, Chanda's mother wanted her girls to be careful with stranger. What's the answer? Chanda's mother wanted her girls to be careful with strangers. Again 17 number. Who do you think was honest, the toy seller or his daughter? So the answer is, the toy seller's daughter was honest. What is the answer? The toy seller's daughter was honest. Okay. 18 number. Why do you think the toy seller had covered his face when he came with his daughter? So the answer is, because he was afraid that people would recognize him. What is the answer? Because he was afraid that people would recognize him. So dear students, here we have completed our first question. Please make it ready. In the next video, we are going to start the question number 2. Till then, you just make it ready, write it down one time in your notebook and try to make it ready. Okay, it will be for 12 marks. So try to make it ready, and in the next video, we'll check out the next. Thank you.